Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the beautiful community of Marvita, located in Cypress, Texas. This beautiful home that we are viewing is built by MI Homes and is called the Balboa. Now, this is going to be located in the gated section. The thing about the Balboa, it is a one-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, or 3 to 4 bathrooms. It's going to be a little bit over 2,200 square feet, and the starting price is going to be a little bit over the $350,000 range. Now, this particular community, Marvita, is considered a master plan community, which has a lot of things for your family. And it basically says their amenities are like resort style amenities. The schools that this home is going to be zoned to is going to be located in Cypress Fairbanks ISD. That's going to be Walker Elementary, Rowe Middle School, and Cypress Park High School. If you have any questions regarding this builder, this home, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.